Good one, New. Today on Black Metal Cookery, we are going to be doing pizza in a cup in the microwave. How's that sound?
Good.
Good, eh? First off, we've got flour, a pinch of salt, a pinch of baking powder, and a pinch of baking soda. Olive oil.
Milk.
We made a marinara sauce with tomato paste, ketchup, some herbs, whatever you want to throw in it. And then we'll put that on top of our dough. Oregano.
Oregano. Cheese. Pizza.
Stick it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes.
I like a pizza.
Oh,
That's